guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Czarina. In today's video, we are going to be digging in this new box that I got from BoxyCharm, and it is for the month of May. If you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a subscription beauty box where you get 4 to 5 full-sized items, and with that you get skincare, hair, makeup, whatever it is that relates to beauty, you can get it within the box. But before I jump right to it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos. I do a lot of beauty reviews, tutorials, so check out my past videos. Also, I upload on IG a lot, so follow me there as well. I will put the link down in the description box, of course. So BoxyCharm did send this to me as part of their PR, and this is the regular one. It's not the full size, it's not the Boxy Luxe, which I think that was like $60. This is more of the $21 one, and you get the 4 to 5 full size items in here. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So anytime you get a box like this, you do get a theme each month. So for the month of May, they are making waves. So make waves, this is what it looks like. So basically they're getting ready for summer. So I did get 5 full-size items, and this one is box number 17 right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. With this, the total is always over $100 for me. So the first thing that I got here is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. This is a full-sized item, and this one retails for $28. This one says this daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids conditions, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap fragrance and SLS free. All types approved. So yeah, so you can use this if you have dry skin combination, you know, oily skin. So I do have dry skin, and I find this very, very pleasant on my skin. I did use it a few times, and I absolutely love it. I don't know if it does take away all of your makeup, so you may need some type of makeup remover after you use this or before you use this. That way you can take out all of the impurities on your skin. So, but I really do love this. It does bubble a lot, so which I do like also. So yeah, this is the full size item, and if you get it at Sephora, it's $28. So the next product in here is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. So the claim on this is that your new Milk Makeup Blur Stick is a lightweight silicone-free matte primer stick that minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines with powder-filled blurring microspheres. Blur Stick's smooth velvety formula goes on clear to create a flawless shine-free canvas that helps makeup look better and last longer. So I've used this a few times, and I'm actually using this underneath my makeup right now. And I really don't like matte finished foundation because they do dry my skin. This is more of a primer. It doesn't have any coverage in it whatsoever, but this is what it looks like. It looks really cool, and it has some type of pearlescent finish to it, if you will. It says it's matte, but it's really not matte. And I do love how it does blur the imperfections on your skin, your pores or anything like that you have. And it's really, really great, as you can see. And it did a really great job with my skin, so I really like that a lot. Also with this it says this is a luminous blur stick. I don't know why it said matte on there, but yeah, this is a luminous blur stick, and I really love it. It's very, very smooth on the skin. It's very lightweight, and this is also a full size. So if you do get it at Sephora, it is $36. So that right there. The next product in here that I got is the Otter London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and this is really, really cool, guys. So this is what it looks like, and the claim on this is that your new Otter London's Eye Luster will help you create a long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid eyeshadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over an eyeshadow as a topper. So I did use this as a topper, and I absolutely love it, and it stayed all day. I really don't like glitters on my eyelids, but with this one it's more of a shimmer, and I love that wet liquid eye look. So this one is absolutely perfect for that. So as you can see, it's really pretty, and you can also use this in the corners of your eyes, or again as a topper, depending on how thick or how thin you want this to be. But as you can see, you can sheer it out, and it's really pretty. It has that beautiful pinkish iridescence to it, and it has like really small specks of shimmers. It's not glittery at all, so I really love that. And this one is this one retails for $22. All right, so the next one is the Pur Pro eyelash curler. I really don't use an eyelash curler, but this is what it looks like. It is really cool looking. So with this one, you're about to take your lashes to new lengths. Literally prep lashes for a coat of your mascara with your new Pur eyelash curler. Instantly perk up each individual lashes for a look that you will love. So this one is more of the traditional eyelash curler, which I do like. However, I really don't use it because my eyelashes is already curled. So let's just use it real quick here. It does a great job with curling your lashes, which I do like. It is not my favorite in the box, that I'm gonna say, because I really don't use this, but I like it. I do like it, just in case, like, you know, you need it. So that one retails for $18. Ooh, that's kind of a lot of money, but yeah. That retails for $18. And the last one in here is the Luna by Luna lip gloss, and this is what it looks like. And this one says, prepare for an expertly pigmented lip gloss that delivers high shine with long-lasting color while delivering the look of fuller lips. This non-sticky gloss formula applies on smoothly and won't drip. So this retails for $18, and this is the first time I am trying Luna Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Venus, and I gotta say that this is actually a really pretty color. It's more of like a grungy type brown color, and I like it. I'm not mad at it. And what I did was I used the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner, and this one is in brown sugar, and then topping it off with this. It's the perfect combination. I love the shine of it. I love the way it looks on the lips. And it makes your lips just more fuller, you know, and I really do love that. All right, so my top picks in this box would be the Glam Glow. Definitely this one is an absolute favorite of mine, and the Milk Makeup blurring stick. The ones that I didn't really like would be the Pur Pro eyelash curler, just because like you can probably get this a lot cheaper somewhere else. But other than that, I do feel like this is still a great box to get for the month of May, and it's very much worth it, especially if you're getting 4 to 5 full-size items each month and you're only paying $21. Why not? I do have the link down in the description box. Please let me know what you got on your BoxyCharm, and I would love to hear it. Let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.